Welcome back to Powerboat1.com. Just about finishing up changing the coils. We're getting rid of these stock little coils that came on the motor originally, and we're putting on these high output MSD coils. Really should make a big difference in this motor. Now let's finish putting them on. It's pretty simple to put on. I actually used the original stock GM coil bracket and then just made another little bracket that bolted to the block. That gave us a place to bolt that to and use the stock wiring harness off of it. We're just going to take and thread the bolts up in there and run those up. Just kind of cinch it down. Good there. Then we'll just take and plug the coil into the bottom here. Just snaps right in place. We'll use our MSD 8.5 wires. Just push that down on. Pop it on the plug. Now when we get it in the boat, we'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching.